What if God is truly not mad at you? What if God's view of you doesn't change even when you mess up? Well, I got good news for you. Indeed, God is not mad at you. You see, 2 Corinthians 5:21 says, God made Jesus, who knew no sin, to be sin in our behalf, so that we might become in him the righteousness of God. This means when you put your faith in Christ, you, pay attention now, become. Yes, in Greek that is the word ginomai, which does mean become. So you, my friend, become blameless, upright, and holy, just like Jesus. This is not a license to do whatever, but even when you fail, you continue being God's own righteousness. And this is not based on what you do daily, but on what Jesus did at the cross for you. Want to know more about your identity in Christ? Come to our Sunday meetings or visit our social media, and I'll see you there.